Welcome to the Voyager studio at Acton Leadership Academy, designed for young heroes roughly aged 8 to 11, though our flexible age range welcomes learners as they transition from discovery and prepare for the challenges of navigation. Voyager is our love of learning studio, where a delicate balance of challenge and choice ignites passion and growth. At its core, Voyager Studio is built on two intertwined pillars: character development and academic exploration. Here, students are not only encouraged to excel in subjects like math, reading, writing, and art through project-based learning, but they're also guided to become stewards of themselves, their time, and their community. The studio begins each year with the creation of a unique studio contract, a shared commitment that outlines what it means to be kind, respectful, and responsible. This contract, along with the diamond guardrails that set clear expectations, forms the foundation of a thriving learning community. Daily life in Voyager is structured yet flexible. The day typically starts with a focused math power hour, where learners tackle engaging challenges that build critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This is followed by a period called comms time, a flexible block dedicated to language arts and creative communication, where learners use digital tools like the Journey Tracker to set and monitor daily goals. Voyagers love to explore and play outside as well. Some of the most valuable character development, problem-solving, and collaboration happens organically with plenty of unstructured outdoor play. Central to the Voyager experience are the Socratic Circle discussions. In these sessions, guided by established rules of engagement, every student is encouraged to voice their thoughts, listen with empathy, and engage in respectful dialogue. This process is pivotal in developing critical thinking and effective communication skills. When conflicts arise, the peace table comes into play. At the peace table, students use a clear, step-by-step process to express feelings, listen actively and collaboratively. They find solutions, ensuring that every disagreement is transformed into a learning opportunity. Throughout the day, the coin game serves as a motivating accountability system. Learners earn coins for meeting personal and group goals, which can later be exchanged for privileges or opportunities for extra creative work. This system not only reinforces responsible behavior, but also makes learning fun and interactive. Voyager Studio is a vibrant, dynamic environment where academic rigor meets personal growth. Our approach empowers young learners to embrace challenges, celebrate their achievements, and build a supportive community that values both independence and collaboration. In Voyager, the journey is as important as the destination, and every hero is encouraged to develop a lifelong love of learning.